though? You're so early. I said maybe 11 a.m. Anyway, you're here. I might as well let you in. So this is my sleeping area. Clearly, I just woke up. So let's spread the bed and fix the mess that it is. Set and done. Here we have this desk, which is my house working area. I work from here sometimes, particularly later in the evening, but during the day I'll show you where I work from. Well, this small area is where I've packed my suitcases. This one is quite humongous, so it's taken a little bit of space. This one is slightly tiny. Damn, they look so good on that shot. Well, this is where I sit to think about life, to reflect, to enjoy that I am in Ghana. The fan is right above me, so this is just where I sit. This seat is very comfortable. It reminds me of the village. It reminds me of my grandmother's house. So here we have the wardrobe. This is the mirror that I always use to check myself out. No booty, just a back. But this is where I dress from. And let me show you what's inside, okay? So up here, because I'm shooting is slightly a mess, I'll take pictures of when everything is arranged. So this is where I put my equipment. This is my wallet. And these are my masks for ease. When I'm leaving, it's the top drawer. Also, I keep my toothbrush and my toothpaste here so that it's the first thing I think about in the morning when I'm thinking about work. Fresh breath is really important. This is one of my lenses. This is my light. My tripods, my mini tripods go here. This is my drive. This is my mouse. These are earphones, cable, and headphones that I use to edit. And that's their casing. Then we come to cosmetology. Okay. So this is where I keep all my, skincare products. It's not a lot. Just Garnier to remove my makeup, Prolon so that I don't smell sweat, gel for my hair, a little bit of body splash, lotion, Vaseline for my lips, and then a period care kit. This is sanitary towels I came with from Kenya. My towels, these are baby wipes, and then my panty liners. This is a thing of beauty, ladies and gentlemen. This is where I keep my Kenyan spices. If I can zoom in, this is iliki, this is cinnamon, this is lemongrass. All of them are for tea. This is rosemary for tea, Arabic tea, hibiscus tea. I have mixed spice here. And then the star of the show, pilau masala. Here you have jollof, which is your specialty. In Nairobi we have pilau. I've kept my SD card and this thing together here because, oh my god, sometimes you need to swap lines and it can turn into chaos. Also, can you see? It's a feast. A luta continua. Finally, my stash. No, it's not. All of it is not mine. So I have Kenyan tea for my friends. This is the tea that I have been making and sharing with my neighbors because sharing is caring. My friends are yet to pick their tea. So this is for Vanessa Okedi, this is for Kojo, this is for Benjamin, this is for Odelia, and this is for Divine, and then this one will be my stash. And also this is where I just throw this extension. These are seedlings for Sarah. I will take them to her. If you watched my preparing for my trip, you would have seen me shopping for all this. This is where I keep my clean clothes that I've already folded. That shoe fell out of my suitcase at the airport. I've not been able to put it back. And then this is where I keep my dirty clothes. Speaking of dirty clothes, I think it's time we do laundry. while laundry continues, let's get in some work, and I do my work from the common room. So let me show you the common room, guys. So this is where I work from. I do majority of my work here. So I like the table, and I also like that it's open so I can see the outside, and like my workspace in my room. So I really enjoy working from here. Just testing how cold the water is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what fresh and clean looks like, feels like. We're done with our shower. Let's go get dressed and then hang out our clothes to dry. Guys, so this is like my secret hiding spot where I always come to just have a great view, look around and eat some ice cream. So particularly with this Accra heat, this is the real deal. This is where we're gonna wrap up the vlog, and so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of our family. Remember to click the link, rather to click the links in the description box to watch some of my videos. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. We're growing this thing, yeah? It was my job to do this. This is now our job. We're a family, and you're gonna help me pay my rent by watching my videos. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.